How does rotational grazing contribute to poultry farm sustainability? A. Helps manage parasite load while improving soil health. B. Leads to overgrazing and compaction of the land. C. Promotes continuous confinement of birds in one area. D. Increases the need for mechanical tilling between cycles. What do you think? Correct answer is A. Helps manage parasite load while improving soil health. Rotational grazing allows land to recover and reduces the buildup of parasites, leading to healthier poultry and improved pasture quality. It minimizes erosion and chemical input needs, enhancing overall sustainability. Chickens in rotational systems often show more natural behaviors like scratching and dust bathing, which also improves their welfare. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more poultry facts.